Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am M.K.JABEEN. Today showing you the execution and tracing of C program for the binary search coming under the CPL laboratory of BTU first or second semester BE CBCS 2018 scheme. First, let us see what is binary search. Here we have given a list of elements in the form of array. We find mid of it by low plus high divided by 2, and our searching key element is taken and compared with a of mid. If it is equal, then flag is equal to 1 and the element found at the position mid plus 1 position. If key is greater than a of mid, we search element taking low is equal to mid plus 1. If low, taking high is equal to mid minus 1. And if key element is found, the element found at position mid plus 1, else search is unsuccessful, flag is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us go through the program and execute it, then we will go for tracing. This is the program. First I have double clicked on dev C++ and opened a new file and named it as E and saved as e.c and typed this program. See here. First, header file as usual, standard input output header file which contains input output functions. Then main part of the program begins, then declaration of variables and constants here. First, a of 10, that is array we have taken, it contains 10 elements. Then I indicates index, n number of elements we are taking. Item, the key element we have to take to search. Flag is equal to 0, that is if it is equal to 0, then search is unsuccessful. F is equal to, if flag is equal to 1, then element is found at the position mid plus 1. Low, high and mid, which we have to calculate taking the list as lower part and higher part. Okay, these are all of integer type. Then this is the printf statement. Here this line is printed on the output screen. Enter the size of the array, that is n, scanf %d ampersand n. It reads the size of the array what we give. Next line is print enter the elements in the ascending order. We have to enter the elements of the list in which we are searching the element in the ascending order. Okay. Then index of these elements start from 0 and ends at less than n. Okay. Up to less than I less than n, this I get incremented. Okay, then elements of the array are taken by scanf %d ampersand e of I. Then again this line is printed, enter the number to be searched, that is item. We have to enter which number we want to search in the list of the elements in the form of array we have taken. Scanf %d ampersand item, it reads the element which we are searching. Now for initial value of low is equal to 0, high is equal to n minus 1. Okay, while low is lesser than or equal to high, then mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. Then if the item we have taken to search is equal to a of mid, then flag is equal to 1, break. Here program stops searching because we have found the element at a of mid. If we do not found the element equal to a of mid, then we have to search again this condition by this condition. If item, that is we are taking key element, is lesser than a of mid, then high is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, we have to search in decreasing order. And if greater than the taken element is greater than A of mid, we search in the increasing order. Low is equal to mid plus 1. Okay. Now if element found flag is equal to 1, if element not found flag is equal to 0, and then return 0. We have taken mid plus 1 here. If element is found, we add 1 to the mid. Okay. And indicate the position where the element is found in the list of elements represented in the form of array. Okay, this is the program. Now let us see the execution. Execute. Compile and run. Now let us enter elements 5. Then give elements in the ascending order. 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter, 5. Okay, see here. Now let us enter key element. Let us take 2. 2 is found at the position 2. Okay, 1, then 2. Actually it is 1 is come at position EF 0, but we have added mid plus 1, that's why it adds 1 to the position of 2. That is 1 is at 0, 2 is at 1, then 1 plus 1, that is mid plus 1. It shows elements position is at 2. Okay. Now let us see for unsuccessful search. This is the program. Okay. Now let us execute it. Compile and run. Give 5 elements. Give 6 key element. The element is not found. Okay. This is all about the program and program execution. Now let us see the tracing. Here, now let us see the tracing for unsuccessful search. Okay, let size of the array be 5. Let the elements be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is A of 0, A of 1, 2. Here, A of 3 is equal to 4, A of 4 is equal to 5. Let the key element be 6. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. That is 0 plus 4 divided by 2. It becomes 2. Then A of 2 is equal to 3 here. See here. A of 2 is equal to 3. Then compare it with the key element. Key element is 6. 6 is greater than 3. So in higher part we have to find. Then again low becomes 3 and high becomes 4. Okay. Then mid is equal to 3 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 7 divided by 2. 3 point something comes. You neglect the decimal part and take 3. Then A of 3 is equal to 4. Key is equal to 6. A of mid, that is A of 3 is equal to 4. 6 is greater than 4. So again higher part we have to find. Then mid is equal to 4 plus 4 divided by 2 comes, because one box that index takes the value of a low and high. Okay, then it is 4. A of 4 is 5. Key is equal to 6. 6 is greater than 5. So no elements are found after 5. Then key is equal to 6 is not found. Now let us see the tracing for successful search. First we have to take size of the array. I have taken it as 5 and let the elements in the increasing order as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and indexes as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let key element be 2. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. Mid is equal to 0 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. A of 2 is equal to 3. It is the A of mid. Key is equal to 2 here. Then 2 is lesser than 3. We find in the lower part here. Then low becomes 0. High becomes 1. Okay. Then mid is equal to 0 plus 1 divided by 2. It becomes 1. That is A of mid is equal to A of 1. Here is equal to 2. 2 is equal to E of 1 is equal to 2. That is key element 2 is equal to E of 1, 2. Then the key found at the position mid plus 1 in the program we have taken. So here mid value is 1. We add 1 and then it becomes 2. So the two key element found at the position 2 in our given array at the position 2. This is all about the tracing. I hope you have understood. Okay, thanks. See the programs once.